Let's talk about 6 design mistakes you might be making while designing or renovating your home and how to fix them. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. If you enjoy watching, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get into the video. Designing homes can be exciting yet challenging task. To ensure a successful and visually appealing design, it's important to avoid these mistakes. So first one is inadequate planning. It involves lack of consideration and preparation before implementation of design and can potentially result in costly mistakes like impractical layout or the need of last minute adjustments. This will lead to various issues. For example, if you rush into your home renovation without detailed floor plan or understanding of space functionality or neglect to measure it, your space can result in furniture that doesn't fit or awkwardly placed elements. To avoid all this, always consider room's purpose, traffic flow, and any architectural constraints. Take your time and create a well thought out design plan before implementation. This will help you ensure a smooth process and minimizes the risk of errors. And ultimately, the result will be more successful and satisfying. Second, following trends without thoughtful consideration. While latest design trends can be exciting, but overindulgence can result in space that quickly feels dated and lacks its identity. What is fashionable today may lack its appeal tomorrow. Therefore, it's essential for us to strike the balance between trendy elements and timeless design principles to create a space with enduring aesthetic values. To avoid these mistakes, select few key trends that align with your personal style and blend them seamlessly into overall design. You can introduce these elements through easily replaceable items such as cushions, accessory or smaller piece of furniture for more flexibility and adaptability over a time. Third is ignoring functionality. If you are prioritizing aesthetics over your practical needs, then you might regret that later. Like neglecting usability, comfort, and efficiency can lead to the design that is making your life difficult rather than enhancing it. Let's take an example of kitchen. Imagine you are someone who loves open shelves, but you also need storage space in your kitchen. But you still decide to go for open shelves just for aesthetic purpose. In this scenario, your kitchen may lack necessary storage space, making it impractical for your daily needs. To avoid all this, consider your needs, lifestyle, and how you're gonna use that space. It's important to have a balance between aesthetics and practical needs. Always go for a design that not only looks good but also works seamlessly. Fourth is poor lighting. If you have watched my previous videos, then you might already know this. Whenever I talk about mistakes, poor lighting is something that always comes up. Lighting has a power to impact your mood, functionality, and overall ambience of your space. If it's not done properly, various issues related to inadequate or inappropriate lighting choices or lack of consideration of different lighting needs in a room can come up. To avoid all this, incorporate a mix of lighting types to accommodate different activities and moods. Addressing this will enhance overall functionality and aesthetics of your room, creating an environment that is inviting and practical. Fifth is overcrowding your space. If your room is filled with an excessive amount of furniture or decor, it can lead to a cluttered and visually overwhelming environment. This will lead to compromise on functionality, flow, aesthetics, and the overall balance of your space. And if your space lacks negative space and breathing room, it will be challenging for you to move freely and enjoy comfortably. Overcrowding can also occur when a collection of small decorative items are scattered across the surface. This may create a chaotic visual effect on your mind. To avoid this, prioritize quality over quantity and create a sense of harmony and comfort within your space. Sixth is overlooking scale and proportion. When the size of furniture and decor within a space is not appropriately considered in the relation of overall dimension of the room, it can result in visual imbalance, making a space feel either too big or too small. Let's take an example of dining space. If your dining table is too large in proportion of your space, it may end up making your space look cramped. While if your table is too small, it might look out of place. To avoid all this, select a furniture and decor that complements the size and proportion of the room. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and these were 6 design mistakes that you should avoid while designing or renovating your home. If you enjoyed watching, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And let me know down below in comments what are your views and if you are making any of these mistakes and how are you planning to solve them. And make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and I'll see you in next one. Bye.